Hey, it's Steve with Ray Buck Auto Body Parts. I'm here with the 53 Chevy. You guys are familiar with this truck. We've had questions about the bed. So I thought I would just do a quick video. We did one when we were making the bed, but we didn't show exactly what we did. So I'm going to explain it, and then I'm going to post instructions on exactly what to do if you want to make the wood for your bed. So here you can see this is essentially like an original style setup. We did not adjust the height of the bed, so this is exactly how it would have been from the factory. The bed from this thing was shot. I'll see if I can get a picture and I will insert it like maybe right here. So that's what it looked like when we bought the truck, which obviously was a disaster. So what we did was we just got some 1x pine. That's what all this is. Went to Home Depot, grabbed some 1x. I would suggest maybe using something other than pine, maybe something a little bit harder. The pine was fine. We figured we weren't going to really be putting a lot of weight or really hardly any weight in this thing. But even just standing in it, you could hear it creak a little bit. And the one thing with the pine is it dries and it splits a little bit. So we have real fine splits in it that I just put a little bit of silicone in to seal up. So I would probably use something a little bit better than just a pine. But again, it's fine for what it is. So what we did was we took all this 1x. I think we got some 1x4 and 1x6s. Again, I'm going to get the instructions and I'm going to post them here so that you could see what you need to do. And then we got a table saw, and all we did was just route the grooves in the edge of this. So we just found the original factory specs of what these the grooves would have been, what the spacing was, and what the grooves would have been, and then we routed, or essentially routed. I guess you could use a router if you want. We used the table saw and just ran these boards through it to make our insets for the strips, for the bed strips. And then we just bolted the bed strips right down like we normally would, and the little angle strips on the sides. And we coated the wood before we put it in with bed liner. So I actually sprayed the whole inside of the bed, and I sprayed all of this with bed liner. So that makes it a little bit tougher. It actually makes it look kind of nice too. You can see it's dirty up there. We take this to baseball all the time, throw all the gear up in there, and I throw my bike in there. There's a little bike rack, kayaks, whatever, throw it in here and not any issues. Gas spills on it. This is that Jeep, I think it was a Jeep Wrangler fuel door that we mounted here so we can get down to the tank. So, I mean, obviously you guys know if you have something like this, as soon as you lift that up, it wants to spill a little bit. So it's spilled all around here, wipes right off, no issues with that. So, yeah, that was it. That's all we did. Again, I'm going to post the specs. I will post them here, and I'll see if I can get a link to them at the down below too. So if you look below this in the comments or right below in the description, I'll see if I can get a link and put it on our website so you have access to how to make your own wood bed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.